go downstairs. All right, listen, let's go downstairs for some morning excitement, but not as exciting as yesterday. Yeah. Oh, yesterday, flying a drone was a surprise. Kickstarter. Kickstarter is a startup company where you and I have an idea, but we ain't got no money. So you crowdsource your ideas and people get to purchase into the item at a discounted incentive price. I bought another drone. This seems like a setup now. I bought another drone and it was very inexpensive. It was $90. And when it came, I thought, okay, it's very inexpensive and it's $90. I have a premier flying machine. Why would I want a toy? That's my cell phone. There's an iPhone app. And if I say connect, I'm going to use my phone. You want a review? I wouldn't call it a drone, it's a toy. It's a toy flying camera, an unstable flying camera, and I don't need anything unstable on our trip. It's a toy. Yeah, it's a toy. It's an unstable toy, which goes into a death circle that there's only a controlled crash landing. We don't need that. Yeah, I'll gladly pay $90 to not use it. Anyway, yeah, I'm not even sure that the footage you saw is from this year. So let's put away our dreams and delusions of drones, and we have other things to take care of. And that is, I've dropped off my laundry yesterday that I want to pick up. I need some morning coffee, and I'm officially out of money. It's been 9 days, 2 weeks, and that original $400 euro that I have is gone. Yeah, so we need that. We need that as soon as possible. So let's wrap up, let's get up, let's get out and make these things happen. Here's what has happened. It's official, I'm out of money. It's been 7, 8, 9. I've been on vacation for 9 days. I made that 400 euro last a pretty long time. That's including a car rental. I've had laundry done. I had to pick up my laundry. What else I gotta tell you? The casualty is not the drone. The casualty is I can't find my amazing sunblock for my lips. Now we got problems. espresso? Thank you. No sugar. I'm taking a chance if my laundry's ready. They said 11 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock. You know. Is my laundry ready? It is? Oh, beautiful.
If you plug.
Yes.
No, it's okay.
Okay, yeah, I know.
Leave it.
Understood. Really good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. That went better than I expected. Listen, it's 10 euro, and most of my clothes have been cleaned. I know. You know, I did this on the very first trip or second trip when I went to Mykonos, and I liked it. I did laundry services. It actually helped. I don't know why I stopped, and I just started bringing more clothes. You know, having laundry done for 10 euro, I got news for you. These clothes look better than when I bought them. Listen, my one unrealized victory this morning should not stand in the way of what I did accomplish, and that is I have fresh clothes. Oh, I didn't wash them, but I knew enough to hand them to the person who would. And I got news for you. They look better than when I bought them. Oh. I actually do. The greatest thing that I'm accomplishing and not accomplishing on this trip is I made a promise not to do what I've already done. You know, I had people say, are you going to go to the monastery? Are you going to go to the cave of the... I've done all that. I've done that. You want to see that video? I'll put the link right there. So yeah, I wanted to do different things, which I have, but I mostly just wanted to exist. Even this morning, the idea of picking up my laundry, sitting down, talking to some people, I just was existing, you know? So it's a good thing. It's a good thing. And don't think twice that I have to remind myself that as somebody who doesn't know how to stop that well. So anyway, speaking of stopping, recharge batteries now.